this video, I want to show you how to change the names of the sheets. I'm writing a density lab report. Notice that I have an introduction and methods. I have a sheet with data and calculations and analyses, and then I have a discussion and conclusion sheet. But the sheets are out of order. This was the original sheet that I worked on. So let's go back and just rename these sheets. Let's name sheet 2 Introduction and Methods, sheet 1 Data and Analysis, and then sheet 3 Discussion and Conclusions, or something like that. Let's do that. So let's click here, click on sheet 2, right click, rename, and let's call this Introduction and Methods. Yes. And then on sheet 1, let's right click and rename this one Data and Analyses. Data and Analysis. Let's just say Analysis. That sounds better. And on sheet 3, let's right click again and let's say Discussion. Come on. And Conclusion. Let's do that. That sounds really good. So let's go back and take a look and see what we see here. So now we have introduction and methods, we have data and analysis, and we have discussion and conclusion. I like that. That is looking really good. It's looking really professional, isn't it? Love it.